In this video I'm gonna show you how to rotate video on CapCut Video Editing App. It's a super easy process to learn it. Watch the full video. First of all, you have to open your CapCut Video Editing App. Then tap on New Project. Now from here, select your video. Then tap on Add. By following this, your video will be imported to the app. As you can see that, my video is very simple. Now I'm gonna rotate this video. At the Tools bar, you will see an option called Edit. Tap on this. Now slide left little bit. Then again you will see an option called Edit. Tap on it. Then you will see Rotate option. To rotate your video, tap on it. As you can see that, my video is rotating. And here is the output. When you are done with it, then tap on the upper arrow icon to export your video. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you face any problem, then please comment.